Good morning, third graders. All right, this is lesson 3-9 math message. Take out a separate sheet of paper and let's see what it has to say.
Math message. Draw an array that has 3 rows of x's with 3 x's in each row. Record a number sentence that matches your array.
Okay, so draw an array that has 3 rows of x's and 3 x's, in each row. Then record the number sentence. Remember, a number sentence has numbers that are added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided, and then have an equal sign. So I'm going to have you go ahead and ignore this lonely x. So draw 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And then how many in each of the rows? You go ahead and draw this and then come back and we'll go over it together. All right. By now you should have this drawn out. So it says 3 rows. I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3. What's my next step? 3 in each row. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Am I done? No, an array has to have equal numbers in each of the rows. So each of them need 3, and it also says 3 in each row, 3 x's. So, all right, what's a number sentence for this? Well, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 rows of 1, 2, 3. That means I count 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3. Oops, and I should have put a 3 there. So my number model would be 3 times 3 because I'm counting 3 times. And what is 3 times 3 equal? Well, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9. Awesome. Go ahead and meet me on your journal page, and I'll see you in the next video.